Ain't nothing to it. Once that frame is built out, it's like a cakewalk. Make sure that frame is built nice and sturdy. The rest is easy. Simple. Like the old saying goes, slow and steady wins the race. Right? Some people got to work fast. If this is your 9 to 5, you got to get a lot of jobs done. Yeah, work fast, but me, slow roll it. Take your time. Slow, make sure it's done right. Or pace. Don't try to do everything in one day. Split it up. Real simple, nice and easy. That's my whole thing for this month. Just taking one day at a time. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Let's get 4 holes drilled. And I'm almost gonna meet you at the camera. It don't take long. Okay. Like I said, figure out where you want that screw to land. Now, if you don't have a lot of control, that drill will walk on you. Me, I kind of have a, you know, not a ghetto way to do stuff, but just that's comfortable for me. And I find a workflow that works for me. That's the point. Find something that works for you. Simple. If you make a mistake, get it wrong, guess what? Fix it. Little screws. This is all recycled right here. So I didn't have to come out of pocket for those. And you know, when you start collecting, get organized with it, you save some money. Collect, organize, save. Most important thing that's been for me as of late is organization. You can stay organized, you can achieve a lot. That's one thing I learned. The more organized you are, the more easier stuff is. The smoother stuff will flow. Alright? That's my thing. Trying to find things, and it's not organized, speaking for myself, can slow your productivity down. So always don't neglect that. If you got things that need to be sorted out, organized, organize it. It's gonna pay in the long run. Even if it's 30 minutes a day, an hour a day, take 30 minutes, organize your stuff. There we go. So it won't be too much longer. That last one on the end, I'm gonna leave on the clamp. I gotta cut it down off the edge. I gotta figure if I wanna have an overhang or not. And if I want to just cut it flush and then add it in, I think I'm gonna cut it flush and add it in. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Cut it flush, add it in. Like I said, protocol is pre-drill your holes. So this is the patio cover. Now, same style, same procedure. The only difference is that thing's got to be on point. You want to pass in sections. So you can tie a little string in the end. Once you tie that string in the end, it'll make a straight line for you. I really don't care. That's just me. Ain't gotta be perfect. As long as it does its job. Once again, bring you down. Look at all these screws. All them screws you would have to pay, what, $5, $6 for? Maybe $10 now in these prices. You just salvage. Save some dollars. Okay? Almost at the end. 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just doing 4 at a time. Mix match. If you want them to match, that's fine. I don't care.